So I am not telling that this is a very bad fan. I am also not telling that this is a very good fan. Average, I will give the rating 7 out of 10. Okay, because as the airflow is good. Okay, I will suggest that if your budget is 1500 to 1700, then you may go for this fan. And if your budget is more than that, then I will never suggest you this fan. I will always suggest you few better fans than this. My budget was 1500, that's why I bought this fan. But few models of this same company makes good fan. This is Anchor Cooler. A fan is another fan is Anchor Cool King. This is a good fan. Few decorative fans of this company, also those are good fan. But the case that always I saw that the fan takes time to achieve it full speed. Means in lower blade angle, it is taking time to achieve full speed. It is not a good thing. But as the airflow is pretty decent, so I can suggest you this fan if your budget is 1500 to 1700. Otherwise, go for any other local fans available in your locality, or go for Crompton, Usha. Cooler I will not suggest. You may go for Crompton or Usha Strikers. You may buy or Crompton. All fans are good. And canopies are also, I think, similar to Crompton Cool Breeze.